Welcome back to our viewers. This is part 4 of our restoration series. We are done with the assessment, unbinding, surface cleaning, and guarding. Now, let us proceed with patching. Patching is also known as gap filling or infilling. It is the restoration of missing or torn edges. We patched this page with similar colored paper to cover paper loss all around it, lined the full page with Kozo paper, and provided an extension giving enough room for sewing together with the other signatures as well. A small amount of adhesive is applied to the area to be treated. A treated paper will be patched carefully and cut into the required shape to cover the missing sections. This process is done the same way with all the other pages that have paper loss. Here is the segment of the page restoration process. So that will be all for now, and in our next video we're going to show you the rebinding process of this book by Miguel Cornejo. See you soon!